Your Love by Alamin. You're the one that never lets me sleep. To my mind, down to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. You're here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I'm all alone without you. My days are dark without one glimpse of you. But now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, my morning shines, and I can see your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like the river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. I want you to stay, never go away from me. Stay forever, but now that you're gone, all I can do is pray for you to be here beside me again. Why did you have to leave me when you said that love will conquer all? Why did you have to leave me when you said the treatment was as good as reality? And now I must move on, try to forget all the memories of you and me, but I can't let go of your love that has taught me to hold on. Falling out, falling in, nothing sure in this world, no. Breaking out, breaking in, never knowing what lies ahead. We can really never tell it all. No. Say goodbye, say hello to a lover or friend. Sometimes we never could understand why some things begin then just end. We can really never tell it all. No. But oh, can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on and on? So baby, please smile, 'cause I'm always around you. I'll make you say how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby. See the butterflies' colors. Listen to the birds that were sent to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For so long as the world still turns, there will be night and day. Can you hear me? There's a rainbow always after the rain. Lying beside you, here in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly you whispered, you're so sincere. How could our love be sublime? We sailed together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. So now I came to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, hoping you'll see what your love means to me. Open arms. I think if I really know you, I can see beyond your smile. I think that I can show you that we have still worthwhile. Don't know what love just like the tree that keeps unraveling the dead. It ties us back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams reflections. In your eyes, for the answers to my questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why your love's alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore, and I think I finally learned to love you more. You are me believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. Two old friends met again, wearing all their faces, and talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know when they didn't meet again, and have a need for more than reminiscing? Maybe this time I'll be in love and they'll find. Maybe now we can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling in my heart. It's the one that it popped up in. Never too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change, and every time has a caught the flame. It's burning ever brighter than it did before. Again,